Welcome home! This stunning DR Horton home just hit the market in Barcy Ranch. This well-maintained home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a wonderful layout in over 1,700 square feet of living space. This one-story floor plan features a welcoming front porch, hardwood floors throughout main living spaces, and modern finishes. The kitchen comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, a gorgeous large island, and a spacious dining space. This family-friendly home also boasts a secluded owner's suite for the convenience of privacy and comes with large walk-in closets and many windows. During the summer, entertain in style under the shade of a large back patio or relax in the community pool. Located in the master plan community of Barcy Ranch in Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD, this home is zoned for COMANCHE Springs Elementary School, Prairie Vista Middle School, and Saginaw High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.